Gemake water heater brings warmth forever. Gemake is on the way realizing full automation of production, greatly improving production efficiency. 200 liner tape rates per hour by this automatic ground cutting machine, advanced high-end equipment imported from Italy. Moreover, strength rubber is adopted, which enables working efficiency increase by more than 10%. With more intelligent and precise control of each process, the product is more consistent and quality is more stable compared to manual operation. It's universally acknowledged that inner tank is the heart of water heater. In order to prolong its life, after numerous research, Gemake designs its exclusive single welding line technology. From materials to facilities, we focus on every detail. Customized SPCC half-tank design with Panasonic welding rubber to finish the welding process. According to test data, single welding line technology can reduce over 67% leakage risk compared to normal 3 welding lines. Heating element is the vessel of water heater. For better quality control and faster lead time, we started home production 3 years ago. Year 2019, annual capacity is more than 1 million pieces. We adopt auto laser welding technology to ensure higher quality. Now, homemade heating element is not only used for our production, but also sell to some other overseas factories, since they recognize our efforts in this field. We never stop pursuing innovative technology. Antibacterial, anti-scale, energy saving are our key directions. All we do is to make customers enjoy cozy shower. As experienced expert in this field, Gemake has high standard testing laboratory. It covers an area of 1,600 square meters. 32 functional rooms, 5 professional energy efficiency testing rooms. With annual production capacity is more than 1.5 million pieces, Gemake serves more than 20 million families from over 60 countries. We strive for 100% customer satisfaction and make people love made in Gemake.